Okay. Assalamualaikum, good morning. My name is Haji Muhammad Fairuz. First of all, I would like to thanks to Madam from person. I'm from Executive Diploma in Technology Management. Today my presentation is about essential business communication. Now I'd like to introduce my team member. On my left hand side, here is Mr. Fazlin, Mr. Fuad, and Mr. Nizam, and back here is Mr. Azali. Okay guys, please stand aside please. Okay, thank you very much. Before I start to brief you about my presentation, my company background here, I would like to introduce you. This is our company logo and company name. We call it Kalma Malaysia Sdn Bhd. Kalma Malaysia Sdn Bhd is doing business in cargo handling, machinery for ship, ports, terminal and local distribution. Kalma headquarters is Cargotec, which is located in Finland. Cargotec performed in 2005. Then this parent company split to two company, which is we call it New Koni and Cargotec. New Koni is a company handling Kalma industry and manufacture the Kalma product. Cargotec is have 11,000 of workers around the world, about 100 countries. So for the next slide is Kalma Malaysia Sdn Bhd. Oh, I'm sorry. Cargotec dividing in 3 zones for doing their business in Americas, Europe, Middle East, and Asia Pacific. Then this is a slide for Kalma factory around the world. This one is a factory in China. This one is factory in Europe, and this one is located in our country, Malaysia. Now I'd like to explain to you about our product. This one is reach stackers, anti-stackers, terminal tractors, forklift trucks, straddle carriers, ship to shore cranes, RTG, ACS, and the last one is spreaders. Now what you see here, Kalma joint venture with Broma, and Broma as a supplier for spreaders, as shown here in the photo. So now we come to overall operation of Kalma operation system. As we know, when the customer send their equipment or container using shipping to our port, so they use K crane to unloading the equipment to the port area, and then they use traders to ship the equipment to the yard and manage the equipment here, and then they use another equipment, we call it traders also, or ASC, ATG, and then they transfer the equipment to the terminal tractors. That's all for my explanation about the company background. Now I would like to pass to Mr. Azali for the next conference. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning for everybody. Thank you, Haji Fairuz. Before we go to the next contents, let me introduce. My name is Muhammad Azali bin Simpon. I'm from course Executive Diploma of Operation and Planning Management. For the next content is about the communication challenges, and I believe every company has facing this same problem. For the communication challenges in Kalmar, we have three types. First, environment. Second, culture. And third is language. These three types is challenges is communication challenges in our company. For the environment, you can see the slide. Environment is a main situation or place in a working area. So from the slide is a not suitable place to doing briefing. This example, as you know, in our Kalmar is do product manufacture and services. And situation in services department like a workshop is very noisy. It's come from engine system, from welding welder, from the knocking side for repair, accident repair. These things all is make the place is very noisy. Then other things is narrow place and confined. Also the place open place area. Mostly for the briefing in our company Kalmar is do in open area because workshop area is big and our machine is heavy equipment. That means the size is large. From the open side area make this problem this open place area. From this environment, the problem of about the communication challenges is about the information missing because informer difficult to give information to our staff. Also, receiver didn't hear what the information that top management or management tell. So for the second one is about culture. Culture in Kalmar is multiracial. Then about the multiracial, you know, multiracial is make a different belief, different religion. I give one example about the culture. For example, in Malaysia, some staff in Malaysia, Muslim staff, before start working, do the job, we should berdoa. He should berdoa before start the job, start working. So in other religion and other belief is a different. Sometimes is just stay in the working area, just quiet for a while. That's one example for in Kalmar. This multiracial is working in one working place, so we can see sometimes the communication make have a problem about about the multiracial company. So this is about the culture. The third one is language. Language, if you see from the slide, for the business communication in Kalmar is English. So the other country like Malaysia, China, India, and Europe. From that country also have own language like Chinese language, Tamil language, Malay language, and Japanese language. The challenges from this content, this language is need to communicate with the business communication is English. So that from that situation, others religion, others countries should be learned to the English language. From where he should train the language is be to next content with my floor member. After that, so this one challenges in the Kalmar. Okay, for the conclusion, for the conclusion about the communication challenges is about in Kalmar we have multiracial, we have the different culture, we have different place area, because this company is worldwide company. Like before like Haji Fairuz tell before this is Kalmar is in business in 100 country and 11,000 staff. So I think this is a communication challenges. For the next contents, I pass to my member floor is Ahmad Fuad. Then thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum dan good morning for ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce my names. My name is Ahmad Fuad bin Abdul Wahab. I'm still studying in Professional Diploma in Technology Management. I would like to present Essential Business Communication. Thank you, Encik Muhammad Azali, for the presents. Let me talk about the topic of my presentation is about technology. When we talk about technology is a way for success in the business. Technology is the most important for the company to introduce the company in the world current market strategy. In Kalmar, technology that company use is the system of the communications. There is the 5 types of system communication that we use in Kalmar, Malaysia number 5. The first thing is point number 1 is a network system that we use in computer. Number 2 is a fax that we use in internal use, walkie-talkie, mobile phone, and phone line. Let me introduce one by one for the system that we use, technology when we use in the network communication in the whole branch in the world. Let we know, Karma is a company, is a global company in the world that we have America. In Americans, we have 2 assembly unit, Kansas and Lebanon. 9 sales companies, 32 dealers, 39 branch or service branch. In Europe, Middle East and Africa, 4 assembly units that we have in Finland, Sweden, Netherlands, Poland. 12 sales companies, 90 dealers and agents, 37 branch service or service branches. In Asia Pacific, 4 assembly units, actually China, India, and our nations. 4 market area, 1 country, 1 whole India, 70 branches. We include sales and service, 34 dealers and agents, and 1 training center inside. In Karma, we have in Karma Malaysia, we have too many staff to handle the network system. We have 11,000 staff in Karma world global Malaysia, world company. All of these use computer and internet to communicate with others. There is important communications in the world that use internet line, and computer most important of this communication in the world right now. For number 2 is a fact. Actually, it's a fact. Is more on internet use than that we have in office. Sometimes facts is most important when the system of communicator down or filings, and we use internet for invoice, reportings, quotations, and others. Number 3 is a walkie-talkie. Walkie-talkie is more on staff or plant operator that we use in port. Then we the staff and crane operator communicate each other to set up all the material at the port. Next is a mobile phone. As we know, using the smartphone is more better than others. This is the best commissions, but it's more on personal using. Smartphone can easily get the information such as WhatsApp or group WhatsApp, IM, or others. Number 5 is a phone line. Phone line actually is for you for internal use. This connection on the phone line is more on office using. Phone line is more important to communicate from department to department or branches to all the world company in the world. Actually, this is the 5 type of communication that we use in Karma, that we think the technology for we use is for the business, world business in world. As a communication of the technology is a business communication, and it is a very important for the company, especially in Karma Nation Sembilan Mahal. Thank you for all your attention. Thank you. I will pass the floor to Mr.
Fazli.
Mr. Fazlin for the next presentation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for my friend Mr. Fuad. Let me introduce my name. My name is Muhammad Fazlin bin Yaakob. I'm from Professional Diploma in Technical Management. I will continue the contents from Karma Company, which is the topic of my present is problem identify. The problem identify, we have quality, expensive cost, service and part, slow response information request, poor documentation, and limited customer. Point number one is quality is about we need to ensure Karma product good condition. We must have quality assurance and quality control. We have quality control to filter our product for our customer goal. Point number two is expensive cost, service and parts. An example why expensive cost is because if in Malaysia no stock product parts, we must input the part from our parents company at HQ Finland. The cost is higher due to custom duty and other tax. Point number three is about slow response information request. An example, delivery, lead time and technical clarification. For delivery time, we ensure the part delivery on time. And for technical clarification, we need a support our specialist for HQ Finland to rectify our problem here. And the point number four is about poor communication. In Kalmar, we split two types of operation, which is offshore and onshore. Onshore is in office environment, and offshore is a project site, which is we do the job at the site area. Of course, in office, everybody know how to do documentation, and project sites, our staff more on hands-on and operation. For the last point is a limited customer. It's about Kalmar business is a limited customer, which is only in shipping, parts, terminal and local distribution. So only the area that our business, that's why we business only the limited customer. So thank you very much. This is only our problem identified. We will get custom feedback and R&D how to improve our problem. So The floor next is floor to my members. Next is Nizam, Mr. Nizam. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.
Mr. Fadli. Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all. So let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Nizam bin Muhammad Ali. You can call me Nizam. I'm a student of first SEM in Executive Diploma Production and Operation Management. Here I would like to continue the presentation about our company strategy to improve communication among the employee. So our company approach is to provide a training for the employee. So first is a language. As we know, English is an international standard, so the company is encouraged to all employees to communicate in English. The company will provide English class compulsory to all employees. The company also will establish the library. So inside the library, we will have an English corner. So by provide the reading materials such as newspaper, magazine, and book. So secondly is technical, practical, and theory. So the company also will send for training, internal or external, and also call the vendor or machine maker to provide the training with a detailed explanation about the equipment we bought. So from this training, our employee can gain knowledge, increase the knowledge from them by practical and theory. So the third one is a workshop and seminar. So by attend this activity, our employee can learn to do what you know as WI is a work instruction, SOP, standard operation procedure, OPL is a one-point lesson, or group discussion, and do some problem solving to tackle any problem occurs inside our company. So now is the conclusion of our presentation today. So number one is a short-term action to improve profitability will continue to bear further fruit in 2014. So from all the company activities, we can get a profit with a short period. So number two is Kalma's underlying profitability is healthy and improving. So this meaning our company keep maintain this profit. Number three, micro indicators and industry trend support growth. So we can see here we can see the improvement by monthly, such as our profit, our employee scheme. Also we can reduce any communication breakdown among our employee. So the number four, Kama is well equipped to respond to the industry trends and grow profitability. Here we are ready for everything. We're facing any global demand and any challenges. So number five is good product as foundation. From product we can get trust from the customer, and also the customer will be satisfied with our service. Number six is unique automation offering. So the company provide the equipment and system user-friendly, meet the customer requirement. So it's easy to use our product. The last one is a strong focus on service. So our company will provide hotline service such as 24 hours for any breakdown. We can call and we come And the other one, we provide the customer care. In that line, the customer can ask about the line product and the spare part. So, do you have any question? Yes, sir? No question. So, do not to hesitate to contact everybody of us if you got any question. So, thank you for listening to our presentation. Goodbye.